How to log into Temu account. First thing first, open up your web browser, and then from here you're gonna have to simply search for Temu. So go ahead and search for temu.com and open up the first link that you see here. Now once you've done that, you'll see you'll land on the homepage of Temu, and you have different options here at the top right. You have the card option, and right besides that you'll find profile. Simply tap on this profile option. Now you will see a big sign in and register button. Click on it. And once you land on this page right here, what you're going to have to do is you can either continue with your Google account or Facebook if that's connected to your account, or you could just enter your email address here first. Now click on continue, and now click on continue with Google. And once you've done that, click on continue again. And as you can see, it's signing me in using my email. So if I tap right here, I have successfully signed into my account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.